Okay, so for these examples, we're going to determine whether each relation represents a function, and then we're going to explain our reasoning. So again, for it to be a function, x cannot repeat. So looking at this first one, all I'm going to look at is my x. Do I see any repeating numbers? Well, I see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No repeating numbers. So this would be a yes, it is a function. My reason is x does not repeat. So you may notice y repeats. I just have 8 all across the board there. But that's okay. I don't care if y repeats. Again, looking at that vending machine example, that function, the vending machine, works if there's multiple candy bars in different spots. So that is completely okay. But now looking at this next one, I see they basically swapped spots here. I look at my input x and I see my x does repeat. I have 8 across the board. So this answer would be no. And the reason being, x repeats. Okay, now let's look at a different type of representation we can do of a function. So another way we can do it is having a mapping diagram here. And what this is really saying is it's putting this table into basically these ovals here. So this 1 going to 8, that's really just saying the 0.18. And then 2, 9. And then here I see that's going, my 3 is going to 10 and 3 to 11. So I have 3, 10 and 3, 11. So that's what this mapping diagram is doing. But, so again, I need to see if this is going to be a function. So again, x cannot repeat. I see my 1 only goes to 8. My 2 only goes to 9. However, I see that my 3, it goes to 10 and it goes to 11. So my 3 repeats. So since my 3, my x repeats, this is no. And again, my reasoning, x repeats. Okay, let's look at number 5. So number 5, I now have points. And so again, I'm going to look at the x-coordinate and see if any numbers repeat. If you remember, when I'm doing my point, my x-coordinate is always the first number, and my y-coordinate is always the second. And so looking at this, see I have -5, 0, 5, and 5. So I do see that my 5 repeats. And so the answer here would be no. X repeats. Okay, go ahead and pause the video, and I want you to try those last two, number 4 and 6, on your own. When you think you got it, go ahead and check your answer by pressing play. Okay, so the answers you should have gotten for both of those were yes. So I see for that first one, the 3 only goes to 1, 0 only goes to 1, -3 only goes to 1, -6 only goes to 1. So x does not repeat. It's okay, again, that y repeated. That is completely okay for that in the function. We just care about x repeating. And then down here, I look at my x-coordinates. I have -4, -1, 2, 5. Those are all different numbers, so again, this is a function because x does not repeat. Okay, that's it for this video. Go on to the next one to learn about the vertical line test.